welcome back to Living the Rowdy Life. Today we have two featured games. Both are team deathmatches with only one life. No respawns. We had several new faces show up to play that we hadn't met before, and they were great. Played hard and fair. So sit back and enjoy, and make sure to hang around to the end to see some bonus footage. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go, go, go! Bang, bang, you're dead.
Fuck you, Tommy.
Bang, bang, you're dead.
Fuck you, Tommy.
Good shot. I think that's it for us, guys. All right, guys, you ready?
Yeah. Ready!
Go. Watch out, watch that way, watch that way. Got one moving toward middle, one more moving toward middle. We got one in Castle. We got one in Castle. Watch middle, watch middle. We got one moving to the right. Okay, we got, hey, listen, you got two right across in those bunkers. Both of those white bunkers. You got my ID. Get up there, I'm moving right. We got one under the tower. Anthony, are we clear on that side? All right, listen, I got one in tower. Sweep right, get around to the side of the tower. Sweep right, get around to the side of the tower. He's at the bottom. Bottom. Nice. Way to move in. Hit. Good shot. Oh, did I really? I'm sorry, dude.
Ow. Oh, no tank. Yeah, I did.
Is that your guy?
Oh, wait. You're on my team. Oh, oh my goodness.
I wasn't for sure, and I didn't want to say anything, but I was pretty sure he was shooting at his own dude. Dean's helping the cause. Keep going, Dean.
I was like, what is this man
Good
doing?
job, man. You had a nice spot.
Bang, bang.
Dick. I think so, yeah. Hit! Damn it! Good shot, Dean. Right middle barrel. Woo! Good shot. Oh, good shot. Good shot, man. Nice. Very well played, sir. Hit! Dang it. Oh, good shot.